Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want your long YouTube videos to look cinematic, professional, and visually powerful without hiring editors or learning complex software, this video is for you. Today we're focusing on Runway ML, one of the most advanced AI video tools available for creators who want high-quality cinematic visuals for long-form YouTube content. Many creators can write great scripts, but struggle to keep viewers engaged visually over long videos. Static images, repetitive clips, or low-quality visuals often lead to drop-offs. Runway ML solves this by allowing creators to generate dynamic cinematic AI video scenes from text, images, and prompts. So what exactly is Runway ML? Runway ML is an AI-powered creative platform that specializes in text-to-video generation, image-to-video animation, cinematic motion, and AI-driven visual effects. Unlike tools focused mainly on narration or automation, Runway is designed to make visuals feel alive, fluid, and professional. Creators commonly use Runway ML for documentaries, storytelling videos, history breakdowns, motivational content, futuristic explainers, and cinematic YouTube essays. It's especially effective when you want visuals that feel custom-made rather than stock footage. One of Runway's biggest strengths is scene realism and motion quality. You can generate short cinematic clips and then stitch them together into a long YouTube video. Each scene can match a specific part of your script, creating visual variety while maintaining a consistent mood. Let's talk about how Runway fits into long-form YouTube creation. A common workflow is to start with a complete spoken script. Then you break the script into visual segments. Each segment is turned into a cinematic clip using Runway's text-to-video or image-to-video tools. Once generated, the clips are arranged in sequence to form a long video. This approach is powerful because it gives you full creative control. You decide pacing, tone, lighting style, and visual intensity. Runway becomes your visual engine, not your decision maker. Another major advantage is flexibility. Runway clips can be reused, remixed, or enhanced with additional effects. This allows creators to improve older videos, test different visual styles, or repurpose content across multiple channels. However, it's important to understand something clearly. Runway ML is not a one-click YouTube machine. It rewards creators who plan ahead. The best results come from creators who match strong scripts with intentional visuals. When used correctly, the output looks premium and keeps viewers watching longer. For beginners, the smartest approach is to start with one long video project. Generate visuals in small batches and focus on consistency rather than perfection. Over time, you'll develop a visual style that your audience recognizes. Runway ML is also ideal for creators who want to stand out. While many channels rely on similar templates, Runway allows you to build a cinematic identity that separates your content from the crowd. The key takeaway is this: if you want your long YouTube videos to feel cinematic, immersive, and visually compelling without traditional filming or editing, Runway ML is one of the strongest AI tools you can use today. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with someone building a YouTube channel, and subscribe for more practical guidance on using AI tools to grow smarter. Thank you for watching.